welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute wig over here. So the company I work with is ReadyWig. Okay, so they contacted me on my email, the usual. So I choose this wig because I don't know why I'm loving bobs, even though I could have liked it to be shorter like this, but anyways, it's still cute. Still cute. So yeah, as I was saying, the company is ReadyWig.com. I'm going to put the link down below and the direct link to this wig also down below. Okay, do you guys like my makeup? Yeah, so this is a synthetic wig. It's not human hair, but I have a minimal shading when I was cutting in the front, and yeah, I laid the edges on the front because it came with baby hairs. Okay, so this hair is just amazing. So as I said, ReadyWig.com. okay, I'm going to leave the link down below for you to go and check them out. They have a lot of hairs. I think they also have human hair, so you can go there and order your wig now. But yeah, so without talking so much, I don't want to talk so much. Everything is going to be down below, so if you want to know how I installed this cute wig over here, just keep watching.
Yeah. Nah, yeah. It's body baby, oh, nah, yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you move. If you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Oh, I fell and saw, hey. Show my baby lord. Money, go far, let go, Joe. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, let go, Joe. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, hey. Baby oh, baby oh, baby oh. I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far, let go, Joe. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, let go, Joe. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga oh.
If you like this video and this video also for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Sister me go mole, uncle me go mole. It's your happy day.
If money don't dey, now wait till she get. If I don't get today, I'll go get them tomorrow. Say one for the money, two for the dough, three for the shorty. Now I don't blow. I love my so make we do the thing, make we do the live show. I love my if body they hot you drink water. Your backside is so amazing, yeah. Skin soft like a baby, yeah. Now you they drive me crazy.